Backwoods. Today we're going to be fixing the door on an 85. Now we're actually fixing the speaker on an 85 Ford pickup truck, and we're using our Gerber multi-tool we get from bentzbackwoods.com. And I hope it doesn't rain. Looks like you might get a thunderstorm today. There you go. Gotta take his door panel off. Gotta get that panel off of there. I think the geese are confused. They're flying south and it's springtime. Where is such a thing? Listen to 'em. Geese are flying south. We'll get that door panel over there. There it goes. Success. Now I gotta get this speaker out of here. This repair would probably cost you $150 at the repair shop. We bought speakers at the Walmart for $38. 25-year-old speaker coming out. Now we're going to use our Gerber multi-tool to cut this wire. We're also going to strip the wire. Got a knife. Strip that wire. Store the speaker. It's a Pioneer. Well, there we go, Billy. There's our Pioneer speaker. And we gotta wire nut this together, tape it up. This could be what you call self-reliance, fixing your own truck. Gotta get some wire nuts out here. Got a wire nut in. Put them wire nuts on there. Turn them on. How's that, cameraman?
Sound like a hell of a song, but good speakers.
There we go. Now we gotta tape it. Gotta tape it. Don't come apart on us. A little electrical tape on there. I got a hole in the pocket. That's real good, huh? Got a hole right there in the pocket and the tape pulled right out. I lost my tape there. I lost my tape. speaker repair. 85 Ford. Get that thing screwed in business. Gotta put this thing back together now. This could be fun. Here we go. What's that? Don't want to lose the spring. Dang spring will be going through. There you have it. Speaker repair on the 85 Ford. Used our Gerber multi-tool you can buy from bentzbackwoods.com. Thanks and have a nice day. Cut.